Start doing this and your face will be 10 years younger. You will notice results right away. The Japanese people are known to be long-standing people, and Japanese women have always been considered to look beautiful and youthful, even in older ages. That is all cause of their secret. Their secret lies in the healthy properties of the rice. Rice is loaded with healthy nutrients, such as linoleic acid and squalene, which are powerful antioxidants that stimulate collagen production, which reduces and prevents the appearance of skin wrinkles. When it comes to skincare and wrinkle removal treatment, rice works as a miracle cure. Just try this homemade facial mask and see for yourself. This old Japanese facial mask recipe will smooth your wrinkles and rejuvenate your skin. It will make you look 10 years younger. The experts say that there are many things that can speed up the aging process and increase the appearance of wrinkles, such as sun exposure, use of cosmetic products, poor and unhealthy diet, hormonal changes, and many other factors. These factors are the main cause why the skin loses its elasticity. So our advice is that you should stop using these expensive cosmetic products and try this natural alternative instead. This homemade facial mask is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, 3 tablespoons of rice, 1 tablespoon of milk. Directions. It's very simple. First you need to put 3 tablespoons of rice in a bowl and pour 1 cup of water over it. Bring it to boil and let it simmer for 3 minutes. After that you need to remove it from heat, let it cool and strain the mixture. You need to store the mixture in a glass container. Then you need to take the boiled rice, add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of warm milk. Mix these ingredients until you make a paste out of it. How to use it? First you need to wash your face with clean water. Apply this homemade facial mask on your face and massage it gently, with circular movements. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then you need to wash it off with warm water. You should use this mask once a week. You will be amazed by the results. This homemade facial mask will hydrate your skin and you will look 10 years younger overnight. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.